Want to remove background in CapCut without green screen? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into CapCut. Once you're logged in into this page, click on New Video at the top of the screen. Now select any of the video or the photo that you would want to upload. Once it has been uploaded here, adjust the photo or the video as per your need. Now let's say I want to add one overlay. Click on Overlay and then click on Add Overlay at the bottom. Select the photo that you'd want to add. Once selected, click on Add. You can see this picture doesn't have the green screen, but still if you want to remove the background, then click on the picture. Swipe left at the bottom. You'll see the option where it says Remove Background. Click on this option. After that, click on Auto Removal at the bottom left corner of the screen. And there you can see that the background has been removed successfully. Tap on the stick icon. Now adjust the picture according to your need. But you should know that Auto Removal is a premium feature of CapCut. So you must have CapCut Premium in order for you to export this video or the picture. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.